But don't
Why
you
do
tell
you
it to
whisper
the trees,
green grass?
for they will tell the
Why
birds
tell
and
the
bees,
trees what ain't
and
so?
everyone will know that I
Whispering
can't
grass,
sing.
the trees
Hey, thank you.
don't have to know. No, no. Why tell them all your secrets? Who kissed there long ago? Whispering grass, the trees don't need to know. Don't you tell it to the breeze.
Well, Prynhawn da on this wet Monday, the last day of July 2023. It's been a month since I made my last long video. You've had to endure shorts by the bigoted gammon and various other characters. So I thought, well, I'm taking a stroll into town. I'll take the camera with me. So I got the selfie stick, but the little button isn't working, so you'll see my finger approaching to turn me off now. So this is the River Ystwyth running alongside Nanny Goat's Walk, the path beloved of dog walkers, and on its meandering path to Traeth Tanabwlch. I'm toying with the idea of doing subtitles for this video yn Gymraeg, or do I succumb to the urban myth that they all speak English anyway? You'll find out at the end of this video. Well, I've just passed my first dog walker, which is a bit of a miracle really, because I thought I would have passed at about 4 or 5 by now. But the weather is slightly inclement. I'm trying to waylay what I consider to be an inevitability every 18 years, that I have a nervous breakdown or a meltdown. I had my first one at 21 years of age, hospitalised for 2 weeks. I had my second one at 39, imprisoned for 4 months with a week's visit to a hospital on a locked ward, and then returned to prison because I wasn't deemed mad enough. And 18 years on, here I am, the bald bard of Bridgend, fearing that another 18 years of depression and sitting on emotions and all the rest of it might bubble to the surface. So I'm trying to take a little bit of what's the word? Action, evasive action. No, the coast appears to be clear for the moment. So rather than this being self-indulgent vlog, perhaps I'll say a few words about the climate change precipice that we're all standing on at the moment. So I know there are people who deny it's happening and give it all CO2, and their Lord and Master Rishi Sunak is trying to capture the CO2 in a butterfly net and park it under the North Sea, which seems a little strange because that's where his kingdom is drilling for oil and gas, isn't it? Rishi Sunak is your classic fossil fuels of the future, man. You know, and I mean, Donald Trump has got a lot to answer for with his fake news, because nobody is believing anything they're told. Scientists, I've spent hours on the internet. I know better. And then you see the links that these people have been looking at and investigating, and it's like non-secure and it's all a bit iffy. So it seems to be the same people who voted for Brexit, who refused to take the vaccinations, who are denying climate change, and you know, it's not to get into a debate with these people, because opinion is so polarised now and views are so entrenched that people will believe what they believe. But as individuals, we're just impotent. We're just on Twitter firing off little missives, shitty little missives on Elon Musk's X marks the spot, to try and get our point across. I mean, it's not going to work. You're not going to persuade people with entrenched views. I mean, my view, and because I'm walking into town today, is that car culture since 1904, when the first Model T Ford was cranked up, I mean, it has had car production worldwide, has had the growth of a cancer cell. And when you add the buses and lorries and all sorts of other vehicles that use fossil fuels that have been pumping that out into the atmosphere since 1904, 119 years, then, you know, not surprising that we've spun off our axis. You can have a bit more of the Ystwyth. And is it brown today because of human number twos, or is it brown because of a runoff from farmers' fields? Well, I am amazed that I've only met the one dog walker so far. Cerddwr Ci. So, vanity, vanity, all is vanity. How do you like my bald patch today? Polish your head for £1. Look at that, that could be a satellite. It's like Sputnik. Heed! Get your heed out the way, heed. So the question's got to be asked, what is this stuff in the river? Is this naturally occurring bubbles from a fast flowing river, or is this some kind of chemical? Oh, look at that by there now. There, look at that. Bit of wooden sculpture there, liking it. Well, we've got the swallows and the swifts dive bombing.
Why tell the trees what they sow, whispering